Hello everyone, this is my new channel Pratibha Behra 2. My main channel is Pratibha Behra, which is made for kids and IGNOU students. In this video, you will get kindergarten and standard for GK question which will ask also in interview. Which fruit is known as a cup of rubies? Pomegranate. Which is the king of fruits? Mango. Which fruit have only one seed? Mango. Second, blackberry. Third, lychee. Etc. have only one seed. Which fruits have many seeds? First, guava. Second, orange. Third, custard apple. Fourth, watermelon. Etc. have many seeds. Which flower always look at the sun? Sunflower. Question 2. Which flower plant has thorns? Rose plant. Question 3. Which flower grows all through the year? Answer, periwinkle. Question 4. What is the specialty of chrysanthemum? Answer, chrysanthemum remains fresh for many days. Question 5. Which cut flower is the most popular for purchase? Answer, rose. Question 6. Which flower has the smallest seeds? Answer, orchid. Question 7. Which flower bulb can be used in place of onion in cooking? Answer, tulip. Question 8. Which is the biggest flower of the world? Answer, Rafflesia arnoldi. Question 1. Which is the fastest means of transport? Answer, aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Question 2. What is the use of an ambulance? Answer. An ambulance carries sick people. Question 3. Name some three-wheeler vehicles. Answer. Auto rickshaw, tricycle. Question 4. Which vehicles runs on tracks? Answer. Train runs on tracks. Question 5. Which vehicle move on waterways? Answer. Boat, ships. Question 6. Which vehicle run by manpower? Answer. Bicycle. क्वेश्चन है विच आर द रूट वेजिटेबल. कौन से वेजिटेबल्स रूट वेजिटेबल्स होते हैं? Carrot, second है radish, थर्ड है beetroot, then turnip, then potato, क्वेश्चन 2 है नेम द वेजिटेबल दैट यू कैन ईट रॉ. ऐसे वेजिटेबल्स के नेम बताइए जो आप बिना कुक किए कच्चा उसे खा सकते हैं. फर्स्ट है टोमेटो, सेकंड है कैरेट, थर्ड है कुकुम्बर, देन फोर्थ है आपका रेडिश, थर्ड क्वेश्चन है आपका विच वेजिटेबल्स ग्रोन ऑन अ क्रीपर, कौन से वेजिटेबल्स जो क्रीपर पे ग्रोन होते हैं, बेल में होते हैं। फर्स्ट है बिटर गार्ड, सेकंड है आपका बॉटल गार्ड, थर्ड है पम्पकिन, फोर्थ है कुकुम्बर, Question 1. Which is our national flower? The lotus is our national flower. Question 2. Which is our national animal? The tiger is our national animal. Question 3. How many colors are there in our national flag? There are 3 colors in our national flag: saffron, white and green. Question 4. Which is our national aquatic animal? Gangetic dolphin is our national aquatic animal. Question 5. Which is our national bird? The peacock is our national bird. Question 6. Which is our national fruit? The mango is our national fruit. Question 7. Which is the national river of India? The Ganga is the national river of India. Question 8. Which is the national tree of India? The banyan tree is the national tree of India. Question 9. Which is the national game of India? Field hockey is the national game of India. Question 10. Which is our national song of India? Answer. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. The song was written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. Question 11. Which is our national anthem? Janagan Man is the national anthem of India, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Question 12. What is the name of Indian national calendar? Sakha calendar is the name of Indian national calendar. Question 13. What is the currency of India? Answer. The currency of India is the Indian rupee. This channel I made on demand of many parents. This channel only for kids. My main channel Pratibha Behra is for kids and IGNOU student both. If you are watching my videos in Pratibha Behra, you can also subscribe my this new channel Pratibha Behra 2, which is only for kids. So thank you for watching again my videos. Thank you.